that is, what is the third state? What is the third state? This was the name of the pamphlet written by Abesius, and in this pamphlet he described the power of the common men, that how powerful the common men, means a common man can change the system, can fight for their rights if they get united. So in this way they both the people motivated common public to fight for their rights. Here children, you can see this is Mirabeau and this is Abesius, who wrote the what is the third state, and definitely they played an important role to make the people motivate to fight for their rights. Yes children, this is the next event on when the National Assembly, which was a new legislative body of France, was busy at Versailles in drafting constitution. When they were preparing the layout for the new constitution at Versailles, at the same time rest of the France was burning. Why this was burning? Because there were number of problems. A severe winter in year 1789 led to bad harvest, and due to the bad harvest the prices of the bread were being hiked. Day by day they were rising up, and the government was not taking any step to control this price hiking or to support the common public. At the same time, bakers, those who were preparing bread and all, bakers exploited the situation. They took the advantage of the situation and went for the black marketing or hoarding. They hoarded the supplies, and due to this there was the lack of lack of bread in the market, and due to the lack of bread in the market, the prices were being hiked, and this created the situation of the starvation. And due to this, when the women were waiting in a long queues and they were not getting bread, so crowd of angry women stormed into the shops. One day when they were there in the queue and waiting for the bread, they did not find. After that all the women, they stormed into the shops, means they attacked on the shops and plundered the shops, and one of the group of the women moved towards the Versailles. It was the women's march on the street of Versailles, means they went for the march past, rallies, and just you can say a type of revolution. Seeing such situation, the king ordered troops to move into Paris. When king saw this situation, the women's march and all plundering, so he ordered army to enter into Paris. On 14th July, agitated crowd attacked and demolished Bastille. It was the same day when they reach on there, means on 14th July, this crowd of the people or women reached Versailles, the palace of Versailles, where they occupied the Bastille. They attacked and demolished it. A rumor spread in the meanwhile, a rumor spread in villages that bands of brigands were destroying the ripened crops. In the countrysides or in the rural areas, a rumor spread, fake news was spread that bands of brigands, you can say a group of robbers, brigands, a type of robbers. So they were marching on the streets and they were destroying the ripened crops, the crops which was cultivated by the peasants. So due to this, the peasants got in anger, and just because of this fake news, peasants in many districts, they went out of their anger, uncontrolled anger, and in many districts they attacked chateaus. Chateaus, actually these were the residence of the noble person. Means they were already angry, and when they heard the news that their ripened crops were destroyed by the robbers, so they attacked the residence of the noble person, where they looted hoarded grains. When they attacked on the chateaus, so means granaries, they occupied the granaries, and where they found the hoarded grains and burnt documents containing records of manorial dues. They plundered all the grains and burnt all the documents in which the manorial dues records were maintained. So